How do you adjust notification volume on your iPad? Let me show you how I do this, but before we get started, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So a lot of people might be using the volume buttons or the slider in the control center, but this is just for the content, like for the videos, music, or whatever you are listening to. The notification sound can be adjusted in the settings, where you find the sounds section. And there is another volume slider, but this one it's titled ringtone and alerts. And this, as you can see, can be adjusted and bumped up a lot more. Obviously, it is for the notifications and incoming calls and all of the other things, right? So not the content volume. You can see there is a button to change with buttons, like a toggle here. And if you have it turned on, it means that the physical volume buttons on your side, on the side of your iPad, will not be used to manage the music volume and like videos content, right? But instead it will be used to adjust the ringer volume. But I keep it turned off. Whenever I need to adjust it, I just return here and change it up like that. So, it's pretty useful that way. Keep in mind that if you go to notifications panel in the settings still, you need to ensure that all of the apps are set up the proper way, because you have to also ensure that you have the sounds enabled in terms of like your apps and whatnot. So if your notifications are turned on but sounds are not active, this is another thing to change and adjust right here. So that's it from me. Let me know if it worked. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.